Hello, hello, hello. Andito tayo ngayon sa Miraberde Subdivision sa Giginto, Bulacan. Meron tayo ditong available na commercial building na 2-story. Situated ito sa prime property mismo where it is a 50 square meter floor area na perfect to start your business idea or if you have an existing one and you wanted to relocate to a new or more prime location, ito na yun. Dito, meron na siyang 2 bathrooms. Both floor meron siya and a sink. Sa ground floor, you can design it for your store or business operations. While dito sa pag-akyat sa second floor, you can set it up for your business meetings or administrative office. Alam niyo naman na starting a business requires taking a leap. There will never be a perfect time to start it. So, if for the past months, weeks, or days you are thinking of building your business or relocating your existing one, this is your sign. Malaki na ang 50 square meter floor area na ito. And take note, 2-story pa siya. Kaya naman, contact us for the details, request a quotation, or schedule a visit with me. We will be glad to assist and see you soonest. Godspeed!